What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 360 cameras in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to save a bit of money and still get a decent product that checks all the key boxes, look no further than the Vuze XR, the best budget 360 camera available on the market in 2021. The device allows you to capture two types of immersive images. It's a great choice for users who often post audio-visual content on social networks such as Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. With the Vuze XR camera, you can share the most exciting moments of your life on social media at a 360-degree angle. In addition, it can be turned into a 3D camera with one touch. Vuze XR can record 360-degree video at 5.7K in standard mode. The two chambers of the unit are located on opposite sides of the handle. At the touch of a button, these open into a 180-degree stereoscopic VR format, allowing viewers wearing VR headphones to immerse themselves entirely into the footage. The camera works with a dedicated Vuze app for iOS and Android, and also includes built-in 6-axis stabilization for smooth shots. Furthermore, the Vuze XR has a built-in 1500 mAh battery, which allows you to shoot for about an hour without interruption. The recordings are saved in MP4 or JPEG format on a portable micro SD card. We recommend using a quick card, while the camera is also compatible with UHS 3 memory cards. This is the first camera that allows you to choose between two different modules. You can capture images in 360 degrees, shooting everything around you, or in 2D, delivering a resolution of 18 megapixels. Vuze XR comes with extensive editing software for Mac and Windows. It allows you to create stitches and edit your videos and photos. Thanks to the mobile application for iOS and Android, you can control this Vuze KSR via Wi-Fi and view and edit your videos and photos. Vuze XR 360 camera comes in black and in the size of 1.54 by 2.2 by 5.98 inches, while the weight is 7.5 ounces. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. The next product on our list for today is the Insta360 One R Twin Edition, also known as the best value 360 camera that can be found on the market in 2021. We are looking at a cool action camera of modular design that allows us to use different lenses in the same camera, something like an SLR model. The image quality ranges from good to excellent, depending on the lens module. The digital image stabilization is impressive, and the 360-degree module allows us to capture shots that would be impossible with traditional action cameras. The main module has a 1.3-inch touchscreen, a set of keys, and a micro SD card slot, along with a USB-C connector with which we can charge the battery. The screen looks great, although it's quite small. Nevertheless, it allows you to control and adjust all functions. Of course, we can also configure the camera parameters using the mobile app. The first thing to note is that depending on the camera module we mount, we can shoot in different resolutions. Of course, the maximum flow rate is always the same, around 100 megabytes per second. The 360-degree module uses two lenses of just over 180 degrees. Typically, action camera sensors are a bit smaller. However, this module sets up a massive 1-inch sensor, more than 4 times larger than usual. Thanks to this sensor has larger pixels capable of collecting more light, which is why shooting is significantly improved in low-light situations, such as closed or at night. Additionally, it also collects colors better and has a better dynamic range. Another highlight of the camera is FlowStat digital stabilization. It works with any of the mods and has an overall impressive performance. The images have a very good level of detail, clear colors, good exposure, and sharpness. With the 4K wide-angle mode, we can take 12 megapixel photos. With 360-degree mode, we'll take 18.4 megapixel shots. The One R Twin Edition comes with an 1190 mAh battery module. You can also buy another larger module called the Battery Booster, which has a capacity of 2380 mAh. For the listed price, you can't beat this fella. If you aren't hesitant to spend a few extra dollars to get the absolute highest quality, we say check out the Ricoh Theta Z1, the best premium 360 camera that can be found on the market in 2021. We are looking at a camera with 2 CMOS sensors and a backlight that delivers a 23 megapixel photo at 360 degrees. The features of this new camera attract attention all across the board. From 2 1-inch sensors to the ability to record in RAW format for easy image editing, everything about this guy just screams screams high quality. The device sports only a small EL monitor that displays all the key info. Of course, like its predecessor, the device allows you to record 360-degree video in 4K at 30 frames per second and with the ability to stabilize the image thanks to the 3-axis stabilization system. The internal battery allows you to take up to 300 photos or 60 minutes of video, which is quite good for most users. This model also features a 4-channel microphone for the same impressive feel. The device also features an unusual number of 19 gigabytes of internal memory that can store up to 2,400 photos in JPEG format and 300 in RAW format. Pretty cool, right? The sensitivity reaches 6400 ISO, which is more than enough to mount the camera on a tripod, an ideal addition to this camera. The Theta Z1 360-degree spherical camera comes in the size of 4.05 by 7.05 by 2.85 inches, while it weighs 1.06 pounds. Everything about this item is top-notch, premium stuff. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Up next, meet the Insta360 One X2, which gets the silver medal and the title of Best Runner-Up 360 camera that can be found on the market in 2021. Insta360 One X2 is a pocket camera capable of shooting at 360 degrees thanks to its dual lens, with a 5.7K maximum resolution at 30 frames per second. The device stands out after the installation of a 6-axis gyroscope. It also features a convenient front screen, so the user can see what they're recording at any time. Insta360 One X2 remains the classic look, but adds a color touchscreen that allows us to see what the cameras are recording. Speaking of which, the device sports a set of 2 cameras, one rear and one front, which are capable of simultaneously recording and creating 360-degree videos. When it comes to shooting, the camera mounts a lens with a focal length of 7.2 millimeters and an aperture of f2.0. Its sensors can record at a resolution of 5.7K at 30 frames per second when using the 360-degree mode, and up to 2K at 50 frames per second in wide-angle mode. The device also works as a camera with a resolution of 6080 by 3040 pixels in the 360-degree mode and 4320 by 1440 pixels in panoramic mode. The camera has 4 shooting modes: 360, Steadicam, Instapano, and Multi-View. In the first regime, the camera shoots in all directions, so the user can then select the desired angle in the app. Steadicam mode uses only the rear lens, the wide angle, and delivers super stabilized shots. Instapano creates panorama using 2 lenses, and Multi-View simultaneously displays 2 angles with different fields of view. Stabilization in 360 and Steadicam modes is left to flow state. It's system based on algorithm and leveling of the horizon, which has been improved compared to the previous generation. Another cool feature are tracking objects, humans, animals, and moving objects, which use artificial intelligence to keep the subject at the center. Finally, the autoframe goes through every second of your 360-degree shots to find the most important things. There's also Pure Shot, a type of night mode, as well as Aquavision, which automatically balances colors when shooting underwater. The camera integrates with applications such as Zoom, Facebook, or YouTube, meaning it can be used as a webcam or for streaming. In terms of sound, the camera has 4 microphones that record in stereo and have a wind reduction algorithm. You can also control the camera with your voice. When it comes to autonomy, the Insta360 One X2 has a 1630 mAh battery that allows you to record up to 80 minutes in maximum resolution, another outstanding advantage of this camera. And finally, we've reached the gold medal and the title of the best overall 360 camera on the market in 2021, and the winner is GoPro Max. When choosing a sports camera, GoPro is undoubtedly one of the best manufacturers to consider. Like the GoPro 8 Black, the new GoPro Max also has a dual-pin system on the bottom that will allow us to attach a sports camera to any accessory. Weighing in at 5.34 ounces, this is a complete and lightweight product, your best ally to take on the road. The device sports a USB Type-C that will allow you to charge the camera more comfortably. We're also looking at a touchscreen on one of the sides, so you will always watch while shooting. GoPro Max is waterproof to a depth of 5 meters, so you won't have any problems in that regard. Of course, the hardware will leave you impressed. This new camera should be considered 2-in-1. On one hand, it has the features of a traditional GoPro, only with more battery, better stabilization, and better sound quality. On the other hand, it is a 360 camera that, with a mobile application, allows you to convert 360 video into 2-dimensional videos as if they were taken with a traditional camera. When it comes to video, the camera has built-in stabilization software that is just top-notch and can even be enhanced with a mode that allows you to keep the horizon fixed. When it comes to photos, one of the main innovations is the power panel mode, which, using the advantage of its optics, allows panoramic photos to be taken in an instant without the need to delete them with your hands. The GoPro Max battery has 1600 mAh, so we have to say that it improves somewhat compared to other models. In terms of resolution, as a 360 sports camera, we can enjoy the 5K resolution. It also offers 4K at 60 frames per second, 1080p at 260 FPS, and 16 megapixel photos, which is really great for this price range. We're also surprised by this fella's ability to stabilize the image. Its hypersmooth 2.0 technology really achieves impressive results. Furthermore, the device has a number of default modes that allow you to choose different options very easily. If you're new to this type of device, you'll be able to quickly choose what you want and without worrying about touching any parameter. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.